Use of the hub buddy will ensure better wheel balancing, as a clean mating surface allows the wheel to seat properly against the hub. To use the hub buddy, simply remove the socket off of any 1/2 inch impact and replace with the hub buddy cleaning tool. The hub buddy cleans both the stud and the hub. Slide the tool onto the stud and apply firm pressure onto the disc while operating in a clockwise rotation. Within seconds, rust and corrosion will immediately be cleared from the surface. Repeat on all wheel studs and mating surfaces in between. The pads will last approximately 500 tire changes, and replacement pads are sold in packs of 6.